Here we go, man.
Oh, man, I've never seen a speedometer go that fast in such a short amount of time.
See if we can get a run with the homie real quick. Woo. Yes, sir. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to KevRD2 TV, your positive co-culture channel. Today, we're going to be going to the City of Industry out here in Southern California to check out a parking shield that my homie Rocky put together. But we got my boy BK2 Menace with his fresh wheel setup, looking good on some. We're going to wait and see that too. But as soon as he gets here, we're going to go ahead and roll out and get started with the content. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so we just rolled up to the spot right now. We early, man, like it's just barely started, but man, look at the setup on this. The light was hitting it on this side, man. Hey, you got two different finishes, bro, or what?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a trip. I like the other one though. Hey, check out the two different finishes. So that one right there, what's the name of that one?
This one is Matte Gun Black.
Matte Gun Black.
And the other one is Formula Silver.
I like the Formula Silver better.
To have two different perspectives, you feel me?
I feel you, man. He did this before, man, in the video, the build breakdown we did for his car or whatever. But yeah, it's been updated a lot, man. Look at this. Sheesh. Inspired me to step my game up, keep the mods coming with the Batmobile. That's nice, nice. So we're just gonna check out and see who's here. You know what I mean? Got some Mustangs over here. Look at this right here. Ooh, look at the wrap on that. That's crazy. The lighting on that one over there. That's crazy. Jesus. And that's the homie right there over there. What's up, dog? You know this guy, Mr. I know he's ready for tonight. Some possible shenanigans with this guy, dude. What was you doing, man? You was like doing laps and
I was looking for parking.
yeah, I just parked over there. What's up, dog? Good to see you again, man. I'm good. Yeah, we over here chilling, man, and we ain't doing nothing but just chilling, you know what I mean? So hopefully they ain't tripping. We got Liz over there talking to him, whatever, just to chill little meet, you know? It's all good though. Look what just pulled up. Jesus Christ, look at this. That thing is nuts. The wrap on it. The wrap on this thing. It's awesome.
Yes.
Oh, what do you want to know about it?
Like everything.
Hey, Dynaco has competition like that. I like the eyes. They're like low instead of covering the whole thing.
Yeah, just a different kit, I guess. It's just full suspension, upper control arm, lower control arm.
Type bar pulled up.
Yeah, I'm bringing all the suspension pretty much.
And did you make the converters yourself?
Pretty much custom design. My friend just made them for me in his backyard. So yeah, he's really good with, like, I don't know, he's good with that stuff. But I did take it and get it fixed actually. I broke one of them.
There we go. Bam. And rear diffuser's crazy too. Oh man, that thing's nuts. Here we go, man. Check it out. We're gonna let them park first, and then we're gonna chat with them or whatever about the build and what he guys done. What's up, man? Good to see you, man. Finally get the chance to meet you, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, dude. All the way from Idaho, this dude, man. Jesus Christ, dude. So how is it so far?
I like it, man. It's
Yeah.
a bit power.
Yeah.
Everything worked out good.
Yeah.
It's real nice and linear.
Cool.
I made 644 on 5 revisions, so I'm pretty happy.
Cool,
It's a good
cool,
start.
man. You want to tell a little bit about the build or whatever, just to kind of give you a rundown or whatever? Ooh, sheesh. All right, so tell everybody what they're looking at, man.
So it's full bolt-on, full E85. I run E90 with pure stage 2 turbos, upgraded drive shaft, full suspension. I got a drag radial, pushing like 20, probably like 24 psi. And I got upgraded heat exchanger, upgraded auxiliary tank, blow-off valves, full fuel system, DW 1700cc injectors with AMS big bore 405 high pressure fuel pump.
Dang.
Pretty much everything that
Yeah.
you can get bolt on, except
Yeah.
for 10 windows.
Yeah. So shout out to your tuner. Who's your actual tuner?
Go Racebox.
Oh, okay,
Sure.
cool.
He's the guy, man. He's a wizard.
Yeah. So we gonna get his Instagram. We can put it down below for you guys. You guys can check out the build or whatever. This thing is ridiculous. That's what everybody showed up for. Everybody want to see it. You know what I mean? See what it do. I gotta get in this thing and see what it do. You know what I mean?
Nice, man.
Yeah. So we gonna get some footage of that, whatever. But awesome, man. Nice to finally meet you, man. We've been exchanging messages for like the last couple of months, waiting for this moment, and it's here, dude.
Finally.
I'm happy for you,
Finally.
brother. I'm happy for you. All right. Actually, I'm gonna get it from behind. Actually, E90 cold start or semi-cold. I don't know how cold it is. Jesus, sounds crazy. So yeah. Ooh, it's nice in here too. Plush. God dang, this thing hauls, man. God dang. What you think, Doc?
Oh, man, I've never seen a speedometer go that fast in such a short amount of time.
I didn't look at it. I didn't want to know because we're going 65. That was the fastest we just went.
Yep.
You know, of course, on the freeway in Mexico. Yeah.
We in Sinaloa, dude.
We went from 40 to 65. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, that felt good. I'm alive.
Yeah, that did. That was good, man.
Very fun.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna head off to Mexico and have some quick fun runs with the homies. See what it do. I'm gonna be mostly spectating and trying to keep up, so we'll see what happens. Let's see if I can keep up. Who wanna honk? Thing's fast. Jesus Christ. See if we can get a run with the homie real quick. He's gonna dust me.
Congratulations.
He gave me the hit. He gave me the hit, and he's still, dude, I'm not keeping up with him, dude. But I did pretty decent. Not too bad. Okay, Jenny. Not too bad. He gave me the hit. That thing's nasty, dude. Once the boost kicks in. What was that? Here we go, get another one. Go ahead.
That, me think, is, well, look like that they're L.
Honk it, you.
All right, you guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I had an awesome night hanging out with the homie Rocky. Finally getting a chance to meet this gentleman. We've been exchanging messages for at least almost a year, back and forth about me getting a chance to meet him. He used to live out here in Cali. He moved out to Idaho a while back, and he's been coming down here visiting and stuff, and we set this up for us to get to meet and check out his ridiculous build, man. Now, the reason why I quoted the 700 is because the car is capable of more than 700, but he's running a different tune on the car so he can drive it back to Idaho, and then he can open it up and change some things or whatever, because the elevation changes and whatnot. But dude, make sure you give this dude a follow. If you have any questions about the build and anything like that, make sure you hit him up. You know what I mean? It's not my car, it's his. But yeah, dude, shout out to everybody that came to the meet. It was good hanging out with everybody. I know I officially have the slowest Genesis coupe in Southern California, but the car is for fun. I enjoy it. More performance mods on the way, best believe it, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. Just did the brake pass today. EBC Yogo stuff, best investment. Yeah. So if you guys want to see more content like this in Mexico, make sure you comment down below, dude, because even though my car is not fast enough to keep up with these guys, I do have some ridiculous content of the homies. And yeah, dude, I got some fire Mexico content on the way. Some really ridiculous builds. I'm talking about 900 plus horsepower versus 900 horsepower. So just stay tuned, man. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. Hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more on the way, so remember to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with my content. And just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.